I bet you didn't know that over 45% of Americans have a side hustle.
Are you serious? Deadly serious.
It's no surprise considering the potential to earn an extra $100 or more per day. Recent studies show that having multiple income streams is the key to building wealth. But where do you start? My name is Olu, and in today's video, I'll uncover 7 side hustles that are easy to start and can significantly boost your daily income. And stick around for our bonus tip on how you can create passive income streams that keep the money flowing while you sleep. Ready? Let's get right into it.
Let's go!
Food delivery apps. You know, those apps where you can order your favorite pizza or sushi right to your door. But did you know you can also make some serious cash delivering that food? Yep, apps like Uber Eats, DoorDash, and Grubhub can help you earn between $15 to $20 per hour just by delivering food to people in your area. And it's super easy to start. Here's how you can get started with food delivery apps. 1. Choose a platform. First, pick an app that you want to work with. Some popular ones include Uber Eats, DoorDash, Grubhub, Shipt, and Instacart. Second, sign up. Next, visit their website and sign up. The links to the websites are provided in the description box. 3. Complete the application. You'll need to fill out an application, which usually includes a background check and sometimes a vehicle inspection. Don't worry, it's pretty straightforward. 4. Download the app. Once you're approved, download the app, log in, and start accepting delivery requests. It's that simple. Now let's look at some real-life examples. Take Harry Campbell, also known as the rideshare guy. He's made an estimated $50,000 a year from food delivery gigs. Or check out Elijah Billel, who made $1,000 in a week with DoorDash. So if you're looking for a flexible way to make some extra cash, food delivery apps are a great option.
Wow, I gotta try this.
Deliver packages for money. Delivering food might not be everyone's cup of tea, but what if I told you that you could make good money delivering packages instead? Yep, delivering packages can be another fantastic way to earn some extra cash. And the best part? You don't need to deal with hot food or picky eaters. Here's how you can deliver packages for money. 1. Choose a platform. First, pick an app that you want to work with. Some popular ones include GoShare, Lug, Roadie, and Walmart Spark. Second, sign up. Explore their website and sign up now. You'll find all the links you need in the description below. 3. Complete the application. You'll need to fill out an application, which usually includes a background check and vehicle requirements. Make sure your car is in good shape and meets the app's criteria. 4. Download the app. Once you're approved, download the app, log in, and start accepting delivery requests. You'll be delivering packages in no time. Now let's see some real-life examples. The rideshare professor, for instance, made $1,500 in a month with GoShare. And then there's the simple driver who earned $500 in a week with
Yesterday, I got paid $8K just for the afternoon.
Roadie. Part-time work. There are plenty of part-time jobs out there that can fit around your main job. It doesn't matter if it is a night shift, picking up weekend gigs, or finding online jobs that pay daily. There's something for everyone. Here's how you can get started with part-time work. 1. Identify your available hours. Figure out when you have time to work. Are you free in the evenings? Weekends? Maybe you have a few hours during the day. Knowing your availability will help you find the right job. 2. Choose a platform. Then, pick a platform that offers part-time jobs. Some popular ones include Snag-a-Job, FlexJobs, and Fiverr. 3. Sign up, head over to their website and join today. Check the description box below for all the links you need to get started. Browse available jobs. Once you're signed up, start browsing available jobs. Look for ones that fit your schedule and interests. 5. Apply and start working. Apply for the jobs that catch your eye. Once you're hired, start working and earning that extra cash.
Let's go!
Nick Loper from Side Hustle Nation made $1,000 a month with various part-time gigs, and Michelle Schroeder-Gardner earned $100 a day with freelance writing. If you're looking for a flexible way to make some extra cash, part-time work is a great option. Play games for money. What if I told you that you could make money just by playing games? Yep, you heard that right. There are apps out there that actually pay you to play games.
What the hell are you talking about?
Let's check them out. Here's how you can earn some extra cash playing games. 1. Choose a platform. First, pick an app that you want to work with. Some popular ones include Cash Giraffe, Android, Bubble Cash, iOS, Scrambly PC, Solitaire Cash, iOS, and Misplay, Android. 2. Download the app. Download the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. All the links are right there in the description for easy access. 3. Sign up. Once you've downloaded the app, sign up and create an account. It's quick and easy. 4. Start playing. Now for the fun part. Start playing games and earning rewards. You can earn up to $100 per day in PayPal cash or gift cards. Swagbucks, for instance, made $3,000 a year from various game apps. And Brian Meigs from My Millennial Guide earned $500 a month with game apps. So if you love playing games and want to make some extra cash, give these apps a try. Complete odd jobs for cash. All right, so we've talked about delivering food, delivering packages, and part-time work. But what if you're someone who likes hands-on work and doesn't mind getting your hands a little dirty? You can also offer plenty of services to people like cleaning, errand running, handyman work, furniture assembly, landscaping, moving help, painting, tech help. Completing odd jobs for cash might be just what you're looking for. Let's get into how you can make money by doing various tasks for people in your area. Here's how you can make money with odd job apps. 1. Choose a platform. First, pick an app that you want to work with. Some popular ones include TaskRabbit and Wanalo. Second, sign up. Get started by visiting their website and signing up. You'll find the links waiting for you in the description below. 3. Complete your profile. Fill out your profile, including the services you offer and your hourly rate. Be sure to highlight any special skills or experience you have. 4. Browse available tasks. Once your profile is complete, start browsing available tasks. Look for ones that match your skills and interests. 5. Accept and complete jobs. Accept the jobs that interest you and start earning money. You'll get paid for each task you complete, and you can set your own schedule. TaskRabbit has helped people make up to $2,000 a month by offering various services. And Wanalo connects you with companies that need help on short notice, with jobs paying $15 per hour or more. So if you're looking for a flexible way to make some extra cash and don't mind doing a variety of tasks, odd job apps are a great option. Drive for Amazon Flex. What if you want to make even more money by driving? Driving for Amazon Flex might be the perfect fit for you. Let's see how you can earn money through Amazon Flex. Here's how you can start driving with Amazon Flex. 1. Visit the Amazon Flex website. First, head over to the Amazon Flex website. Follow the link in the description box below to begin. Second, sign up. Next, sign up and complete the application process. You'll need to provide some basic information and go through a background check. 3. Complete the onboarding process. Once you're approved, complete the onboarding process, which includes vehicle requirements and a brief training session. 4. Download the Amazon Flex app. Download the Amazon Flex app, log in, and start accepting delivery blocks. You'll be delivering packages in no time. 5th, start delivering. Now you're ready to start delivering. You can earn $18 to $25 per hour, and a single shift can easily pay $100 or more. The rideshare guy made $1,000 a month with Amazon Flex, and your driver Mike earned $500 a week with Amazon Flex. Join focus groups. What if you prefer sharing your opinions and participating in market research? Joining focus groups can be a great way to make some extra cash. Let's see how you can get started. Here's how you can share your opinions on focus groups. 1. Choose a platform. Pick a platform that you want to work with. Some popular ones include User Interviews and Respondent.io. Second, sign up. Visit their website and join now. Just check the description below for all the links you'll need. 3. Complete your profile. Fill out your profile, including demographic information and areas of interest. This will help match you with relevant studies. 4. Browse available studies. Once your profile is complete, start browsing available studies. Look for ones that match your interests and qualifications. 5. Apply and participate. Apply for the studies that interest you. If selected, participate in the focus group and earn money for your time. You can make $100 to $200 or more for just a few hours. User interviews help people make up to $2,000 a year by participating in focus groups. And Respondent.io connects you with market research opportunities, with some studies paying $100 to $200 or more.
That's crazy.
Okay, we've covered a lot of active side hustles so far. But what if you're looking for ways to earn money while you sleep? Creating passive income streams can help you do just that. Let's explore some of the best ways to create passive income. Here's how you can make extra cash through passive income streams. 1. Investing in dividend-paying stocks. Consider investing in dividend-paying stocks. These stocks pay you a portion of the company's earnings regularly. Use platforms like Robinhood or eStar Trade to get started. Making money on YouTube. Start a YouTube channel and monetize it with ads and sponsorships. Create content that you're passionate about and build an audience. Follow influencers like Graham Stephan, who earned $100,000 a year from YouTube. Check out his YouTube channel. Becoming a landlord. Invest in rental properties and become a landlord. You can earn passive income from rental payments. Platforms like Arrived can help you get started. Meet Kevin made $500,000 a year from real estate investments. Selling subscription services. Create valuable content or services and sell subscriptions through platforms like Patreon. This way, you can earn recurring income from your subscribers. If you're looking to earn money while you sleep, consider creating passive income streams. They can help you build wealth over time and provide financial security. Today, you've discovered 7 side hustles that can each make you $100 or more per day, provided you're delivering food, packages, working part-time, playing games, completing odd jobs, driving for Amazon Flex, or joining focus groups. There's something for everyone.
Getting paid.
And don't forget the bonus tips for creating passive income streams. If you're looking to pay off debt, save for a big purchase, or just boost your savings, these side hustles can help you reach your financial goals faster. Now it's time to take action. Pick one of these side hustles that fits your interests and start earning extra income today. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on how to make money. Thanks for watching and happy hustling.